Understand the concept of Shark Tank. Shark Tank is a reality television show where aspiring entrepreneurs pitch their business ideas to a panel of successful investors, known as sharks. The show highlights the importance of a strong business plan, effective communication, and the ability to handle pressure. To learn from Shark Tank in 2024, you must first understand its core principles. Research successful pitches, analyze successful pitches from previous seasons, and identify key factors that contributed to the deals being made. These factors may include a unique product or service, a well-defined target market, a solid business plan, and the ability to effectively communicate the value proposition to the sharks. Develop a strong business idea. Invest time in researching and developing a unique business idea that solves a problem or addresses a need in the market. Make sure your idea has the potential to grow and scale over time. Conduct market research. Understand your target market, competition, and industry trends. This will help you refine your business idea and create a more effective pitch. Create a comprehensive business plan. Develop a detailed business plan that covers aspects such as marketing strategy, financial projections, and growth potential. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you communicate your vision to potential investors. Practice your pitch. Prepare a compelling pitch that highlights the unique features of your business idea, target market, and growth potential. Practice your pitch in front of friends, family, or mentors to get feedback and improve your delivery. Be open to criticism and adaptation. Be prepared to receive constructive criticism from potential investors, and be open to adapting your business idea or plan to better suit their expectations. This will increase your chances of securing investment and growing your business. Network and build connections. Attend networking events, join business communities, and engage with potential investors on social media platforms. Building relationships and connections will increase your chances of finding the right investor for your business. Embrace continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends, market changes, and business strategies. Continuously learning and adapting will help you grow your business and make informed decisions. By following these steps, you can learn valuable lessons from Shark Tank in 2024 and apply them to your own business venture. Remember that success in business requires perseverance, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from both your successes and failures.